Hello everyone, I'm Ms.Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. From today, you're going to meet chi series. There are some chi words in Korean, such as 음치, 박치, 몸치, 길치, 방향치. Today is day 1, 음치. Let's get started. What's that song? It sounds familiar. You don't know this song? It's all the rage nowadays. Ah, I've heard that. Excuse me? What did you hum? What? It sounds exactly the same as yours. 너 진짜 음치구나. It's called tonedeaf, Can. When you're not good at something, or you don't have any talent doing that at all, you add chi at the end. In this case, Can is tone deaf, right? You call it 음치. Means melody, so you add chi next to Therefore, it becomes 음치, the tone deaf. Listen carefully and repeat this expression together. 음치, 음치, 음치. 나 음치야. 나 음치야. 너 음치야? 너 음치야? Good job. Now, let's use this expression in real-life examples. Why are you singing that song in front of classmates? That's the worst idea ever. I am the worst singer. 나 노래 진짜 못 불러. 완전 음치야. Today, you learned the word 음치. Don't miss the other chi series in the next videos. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Miss Kiki's channel so we can meet every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks for watching. Bye!